Hello again, my totally sane IT enjoyers. Dependency injection is one of the core design patterns in software development. It's a simple but powerful technique that helps you write scalable and maintainable code. And today, during our little therapy session, we are going to explore how dependency injection can drastically improve your test automation framework. Let's keep it simple. Dependency injection is the idea that an object is created in one place and then passed as a dependency to another place, where it's actually used. That's it, just clean separation of concerns. Instead of each part of your system creating everything it needs on its own, which leads to tightly coupled, hard to maintain code, you inject those dependencies from the outside. This way your components become easier to test, easier to reuse, and way easier to refactor later. Now let me show you what this looks like in code and how it helps. Consider we are using user repository to get user model by ID. User repository is using HTTP user service to get the data. Here's an implementation of user model and HTTP user service. Now let's say we also want to have an ability to get the user from the DB or via gRPC. For demo purposes, I've mocked real implementation and just returned dicts. Following the approach, we add conditions to our init method to handle different services. We also have to add more parameters, since services require them. You should start noticing a problem here. Init method is becoming messy, as you'll need more and more if statements to handle more services, and you have to always keep in mind what parameters you need to pass to the repository. This is called high coupling, when change in one object requires changes in other. To avoid that, you should use dependency injection. Let's look at an adjusted example. Now, services are passed from the outside. The class doesn't care how the objects were created, it just uses them. This makes it easier to mock components, ingest different configurations, or scale things up. I hope this video helped you see how dependency injection is a simple but incredibly useful technique. It turns messy, hard to maintain code into something clean, testable, and scalable, which will save you hours when updating or expanding your framework. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sane, coders!